welcome back again to my YouTube channel. And in this new video, we're just going to make a homemade pizza. Guys, it's actually my first time making a homemade pizza. I've never done that before. So when I was doing this, I was like, I just hope it's going to be good pizza. So everything that I'm going to use, I'm going to put them in the description box in the link below. So guys, right now just follow the steps and just look at the ingredients in the video. But if you want to follow everything and know the names of everything, I'm going to put them in the description box.
Time rolls on. say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass, time rolls on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shape my smile.
Right now, we are going to give pizza some time to cook in the oven as we make the aloe vera oil from the aloe vera plant. You just need to wash it, and then you cut the part which you don't want, and then you take the other clean part, and then you cut it into small pieces and put it in a pan, and then you add some olive oil, and then you add some coconut oil, and that's it. So when you take the flesh part with the juice, I'll just wrap it in my son's head like you can see, and then it will stay for 30 minutes, and then I'm going to wash his hair. This is what I was talking about. After cutting it, you just mix it with the coconut oil and aloe vera oil, and then you let it cook. You let it cook, not aloe vera oil, with olive oil. So you let it cook for some time, like it will cook for like 10 to 15 minutes, and then you just observe it until it turns brown. Then you can remove it, as you can see in the video. Yeah, now I'm removing now the oil. I'm putting the oil aside, and this is now the actual oil I'm going to be using. And then I just kept it in a container, in that bottle. You can put it in anything you want.